Mercedes ML320 diesel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the front hydraulic brake lines. Those are very prone to fail. I would consider them as an absolute top, most important stuff to check and replace. So let's go and take a look. So that's what I was talking about. That little crack, it's so easy to miss because it's right behind the knuckle. Let's say in my hand is a knuckle, and if you just go and to check the hoses, everything seems to be okay. You really need to take a look behind the knuckle to be able to see it. This is a one way how to find out whether they are okay or no. Another way is when you will drive the car, you will try to brake or push the brake pedal, and all of a sudden it will just collapse down to the floor and the car won't stop. was it. As you could see, it's not a big job. It's fairly easy and fast to do, especially considering what kind of risk you'll avoid by doing this. So if you have a Mercedes made in between 2002 and 2013, just do yourself a huge favor, go check it out and replace those hoses if needed.